Hi, I'm Arwen from the AA, and if you, like so many other Irish motorists, are planning a driving holiday in Europe this summer, it's important to be prepared. Today I'm going to talk to you about driving in France. So the first thing you need to note before going on any long journey is to get your car serviced. You really need to check your tyres in particular for tread depth and pressure, and make sure you top up your oil and water. There are also other couple of documents that you will need, for instance the obvious ones like your passports and driver's licenses, but just make sure you have a driver's license for each individual person that is going to be driving your vehicle. You'll also need your motor insurance certificate and your original registration document, not a copy, or your vehicle on hire cert, that's if you're renting a car. You'll also need a breathalyzer. Now, while this is required under French law, you won't be fined if you don't have one. You'll also need a triangle and a reflective jacket if you break down. It's important to keep the reflective jacket in the glove box in your car, because keeping it in the boot will not do, as you are required to put it on before getting out of the car. Now, breaking down in France is extremely expensive. It can cost around €179 to get your car towed off the motorway alone, and that's before you even get your car fixed. So if you're planning a trip, make sure you get AA European breakdown cover, and if you buy online you'll get €15 off. The AA have their own base in Lyon, so you'll get the same treatment in France as you do here in Ireland. The motorways are very different in France than they are here. They're larger, they're wider, they have more lanes, and the vehicles travel an awful lot faster on them. It's also worth noting that tolls are very expensive in France. It can cost about €19.30 to travel from Le Havre to Paris. So that's roughly about €1 every 10 kilometres. And this goes up by about 70% if you have a caravan or a trailer. The other thing to note is drinking and driving. The drink-drive limit is pretty much the same as it is here in Ireland, although the penalties are a lot more severe. You can even get your car impounded. So from all of us here in the AA, we wish you a very safe and happy trip.